Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps from Microsoft Surface Go 3. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and then open our settings. Right here, locate the apps, select Install Apps, and then now find whichever app you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to it and you should see uninstall. Click on it and proceed with the uninstall setup and you should be able to remove any app from your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.